Hi, hello. I just uploaded this video of making this ORK buggy, and I'm like, there's something not right about it. It's really missing something. You are so right. It needs a big fuck off engine, my guy. Hell yeah, it does. Let's fix that. There will be engine parts in here. I have kind of a weird assortment of bits here. Surely I can make an engine out of this, right? This seems like a good starting place. So let's shave that down. I have no idea what this is, but I found it when I was at the TV station all those years ago. And then I have this thing, which I think came from a tank kit. Now we need big exhaust looking things. That, right? That looks like a thing. I like this bit. Maybe this needs to be wedged in between. I think part of making stuff is not getting things right on the first go. Especially because things are always better the next time round or the next iteration. And sometimes that takes a fresh pair of eyes, whether it's yourself the next day or showing it to a friend. Sometimes when you show it to a friend, they don't even need to say anything. You watching them is enough. Anyway, what I'm saying is I'm very thankful to have all of you watching to help me through my creative process, to give me ideas. It means a lot. There's some sort of magic in, like, as soon as you hit upload and it gets like pushed out, that suddenly you see every single thing you don't like about it. And I immediately wanted to delete it, but you can't do that, you know? You gotta own it. Otherwise you'll be messing around forever. Bam. I think it's time to put what we have as an engine in here so then we can start building around it. Wow, that actually fits very nicely for something I did not test in the slightest. Man, it's not even that hot today. I'm just so stressed. I'm dripping. My face is so... This is how important this is to me. I'm trying to redeem my pride as an ORK player, okay? Yeah, okay. I can't believe... I see it now. Yeah, we're cooking now. I also designed this last episode. I should absolutely put it on, right? Now that we're going big. Then maybe something like that for the top of the engine. Right. Yes, it's so much better, isn't it? I think to connect the front with the back a little bit better, I just need to add like a nondescript pipe to act as sort of like a drive shaft, whatever that means. And I'm such a phony. Our little stick shift here needs like a cool head. I'm calling this done and fixed. It is 1 hour and 49 minutes later. Okay, are you ready? Is this redemption? Is this better? Because I think it's 1,000 times better. Surely. I think even with like the tiny wheels at the front, the engine kind of like offsets that. It makes it look kind of cool. I don't know, you can be the judge, you can tell me. I can keep working on it if you're not happy. Ah, man. Yeah, okay. Go through some more comments to make sure I haven't missed anything. I think an engine in the front would really sell it. Okay, great, we've nailed it. How about Smugtooth? Or if you want a first name, Scrug Smugtooth. Okay, that's decided. This is Scrug Smugtooth. Thank you very much for the lovely name. There was a request for more DACA. Obviously that was an oversight on my part. So we're going to add some of Pablo's guns. This is humble DACA, you know. This is retro DACA. We don't want to go too hard. I added a little control panel back here. some sort of indicators, speed dials maybe. You also requested that I add more exhausts, and so I have. Added an exhaust here. And then also this huge one. This is from an airbrush, I'm pretty sure. This was in my bits box. And also I decorate everything with rhinestones for rivets. We're gonna add another member of crew. I have no idea where it came from other than it was in my bits box. So if you sculpted this or you know who sculpted this, please let me know and it'll be in the pinned comments below. We'll need a name for this crew member, but they'll be throwing missiles out the back with their big chopper in the other hand. Okay, we're actually done for the night this time. For sure. Right.